Up YouTube, it's your boy Brandon back once again with another how-to video. This time, like I promised you, I'm fixing my door latch on my 2005 Honda Accord Coupe. So yeah, like I said in my last video, my last how-to video, be sure to be very specific when ordering the parts. But yeah, let's get into this video. So yeah, y'all basically already know how to take the door apart. If you watch my last video, it'll show you how to take the door apart. So first, when trying to get off your door latch, you want to remove that little triangular piece right there with a mirror at. Then you want to start unscrewing the door handle thingy, and then it's two screws once you get the cap off, and it's two screws underneath the door handle thing. So once you get that far, you just want to unscrew all those screws out, and then it'll allow you to take off the door panel as well. Don't forget to take out the main control, pop out the main control thingy while doing this. Stated in the last video, be sure to get something soft when prying up the door panel, because you don't want to scratch the paint off it. So yeah, be sure to get something soft over a flathead screwdriver and pry up the door panel. Now, so when removing the door latch thing, you want to pull that little black clip off right there, and then you'll just be able to lift it straight out of the little loophole thing. And as you can see, the little green piece that it was broke right there, that's how you know if your door latch is broken or not. If that little thingy is sliding back and forth, it shouldn't do that. I'm just removing the old door latch. As you can see, you just want to pop out all the screws and stuff. See, my main control panel thingy, it was so hard for me to pull the little things out. So what I did was just screw the whole cap off. Like, I screwed the cap off and then just took it apart like that, instead of doing it the easy way, I had to do it the hard way. The easiest way is just pop the little clips out of the socket thingy. Just pop them all out and it should come off easily, so you'll be able to go along with the process. But yeah, like I said, I had to do it the long way and unscrew all the screws that was in there. Alright, so once you get that off, like I said before, yeah, working on getting my door latch out. Now, it was kind of aggravating to get it out because I could barely see in there. So as you'll see in a minute, I have my phone on the inside and doing it at the same time. That made it a little easier. So if you yeah, now right here, see how I got my phone in there? It made it a whole lot easier to take it off. But I'm gonna go ahead and warn you before you even get into it. It's harder to put this back on than it is to take it off, but nothing too major. You just gotta make sure you can see where you're inserting the latch into, and I'll have a little clear visual to show you where you would need to insert it in here, coming up here in the clip in a minute. So now we finna install the new door latch cable. As you can see, it was very hard getting that in there, but like I said, I have a clip that will show you clearly where it goes. I tried my hardest to record for you guys because I know how hard it is, but I had to stop recording just to get that in. This was the hardest part throughout the whole process. Like you see now, see, that's all you need to do. When you insert that in there, you just push the thing on top of it and it'll clip on. So now I have it on. Well, no, not yet. I'll show the video of me having it on pretty soon, so y'all stay tuned for it. It's coming up pretty soon. So now I have it on finally, and once you get it inside of the little hole thing, you want to clamp the new piece back onto the back of it. What y'all you have to do when replacing your door latch, replace your door mat for your 2005 Honda Accord Coupe only. All you have to do is take the door panel off, take all the screws and stuff out, and then once you get the door latch in, finally, you just put the screws back on how you took them off, and you'll really be done with the whole process. So yeah. Bingo. Make sure y'all be sure to go check out my window regulator video where I fix my window regulator and motor I put in here, because yeah, that should help you out a lot. But yeah, that's basically how you fix your door latch for your 2005 Honda Accord V6 Coupe. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for more how-to videos. But be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below, click the bell so you don't miss no upload. Also be sure to watch at least 1 minute of my video. So YouTube don't mark you as a spam, man. But let's get it, let's go.